You got one? You got one? You got one? Oh, dude, no way. Look, there's another scroll right there. No, hold on. Here. Damn, he's heavy. That's not the rod. Alright, I got it. Open your bell. Dude, no way.
Told you.
Ouch.
Look at the picture, man. That's mine.
Here. Oh, you want it with your phone? Gosh, on that mug right there too. That's some crazy stuff. I'll keep casting over there and they don't want to hit it anymore. Oh, what the hell, dude? You gotta be kidding me.
That'd be good luck, man. I come up here and they hit it.
What?
I come up here and they hit it.
That's the third time.
I'll catch them this time.
Frog fishy. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh man, all that for just this little rat.
Little one, man.
Yeah, that's a small one. I thought he was bigger.
You got one?
Yeah. I think he's still on, I don't know. Damn. Yeah, he's still on. Fucking A, no way.
You know, wait for him to swim out of it?
You see my bass right there?
Yeah, I see it.
That's him. Yeah, bro, I'm probably gonna have to go in. I don't want to lose my frog.
Just cup it and pull it.
It's too snagged. See where the damn fish is?
Yeah, I see what this is. Right there.
Mm-hmm. He's big too. See the size of the tail? Dude, I'm gonna have to go in here. It sucks. I'm going by myself. Where's the line at? Give me the line. Let me see the line. Damn, it's deep as fuck. Okay, real. There he is. Yeah. Who goes in after him? Who goes in after him? It's worth the picture right here, boy. Here.
You got the lily pad and all, man. Your fucking socks are soaked, man.
Think about pants are soaked.
No,
Here.
Can't be cool. What do I gotta hit?
Just the button.
This button?
Yeah.
You gonna pull the lily pad off of it?
I don't care. Just take a picture, dude.